World Kindness Day, 13th November. World Kindness Day is an international observance on 13th November. It was introduced in 1998 by the World Kindness Movement, a coalition of nations' kindness NGOs. It is observed in many countries including Canada, Australia, Nigeria, the United Arab Emirates, Italy, and India. This day provides an opportunity to act kindly with others, and no doubt kindness is an important unifying human principle. The act of kindness brings people together and creates a sort of positive vibes in the surroundings. What is kindness? It is a quality that is defined as being friendly, generous, and considerate. Kindness is a willingness to celebrate others' success and help a person when he or she is in need. Attributes of a kind person: empathy, good listening skills, social, generous, charitable, helpful, courteous, engage in perspective talking, caring, and nurturing. Objective. The objective of celebrating World Kindness Day is to highlight and encourage people, society, and the community to do good things and be kind to everyone. Also, this day provides a reminder that kindness quality has the power to be together and create a kinder world where all people can work together. No doubt it is not easy to comprehend, but even a small act can make a difference. This day also inspires us to believe that one act of kindness can make a global change among us, in society, and the community. History. World Kindness Day was first introduced as a day of observation by the World Kindness Movement. In 2019, the organization was registered as an official NGO under Swiss law, but the history of the group stretches back to a Tokyo-based convention in 1997. In the mid-1990s, the Small Kindness Movement conducted a conference to invite participants from all over the world to come and share their stories related to the kindness movements that they have started in their own countries. The conference was successful and another was held in 1997. These conferences boosted the World Kindness Movement, and finally in 1998 World Kindness Day was established by the World Kindness Movement. In 1997 at the Tokyo Conference, Japan brought kindness organizations of various nations together and emphasized the necessity of a global kindness movement. In 2000 November, the World Kindness Movement was also launched in Singapore. Several countries in the world celebrate the World Kindness Day on 13th November and are a part of World Kindness Movement group. Observance. The trend with this day is for you to commit around 3 random acts of kindness to others. Some of the activities you could do include giving compliments, smile at strangers passing by, hold open a door, give up your seat on public transport, or compliment someone sincerely on something they have done or have changed, such as wearing a new top or new haircut. Give extra long hugs. Sometimes people just need that extra little bit of care. So if you give out any hugs that day, make them extra long and meaningful. Connections and kindness go hand in hand. Write a love letter or poem. This is a great one for your significant other half. We often take them for granted, so show your kindness in a letter or poem.